The power plug connects here. 20 ampere also the ampere power interface. Remove this plastic plate. The front button is installed in this position. This red wire is the backlight wire. The red wire connects to the blue wire of this button, the backlight wire. Black wire, ground wire. Then run the wire from the front button along the rubber strip toward the tailgate. The separate yellow wire is the central control wire. The yellow wire is connected to the central control line of the original car at this location. Yellow wire connects purple and black to color wire. The color of the wire may be different depending on the vehicle production region. If you encounter this or that situation, please contact customer service. Then go to the tailgate direction. The wire comes out from this location. The wires go inside the tailgate from here. Install special brackets on the left and right sides. The whole line enters the inside of the tailgate from here. You need to use a pulling wire tool to pull the tailgate wire into the inside of the tailgate. Come out at this location. The method on the right is the same as the method on the left. Use cable ties to secure the harness to prevent it from loosening. This bracket continues to use the original car bracket. The left and right drive rods are installed like the example. Disassemble the original car mechanical lock. Replaced with a special tailgate electric suction lock. Connect using a 3-way plug. This plug is connected to the tailgate lock plug. This is connected to the tailgate electric suction lock. There is also a plug connected to the control box. Close button installed here. Install the tailgate lock housing. Here is the plug for the off button. The white one is the main plug of the 3-way plug. The gray plug is the front button. Purple is the power cord last connected. Blue is the plug for the drive rod. The black one is the electric suction lock plug. Here is the ground wire.